Have you ever looked at a modern luxury kitchen and thought, wait, where's the range hood? Well, Samsung may have just made it disappear. This is the Samsung Infinite Hob, and at first glance, it looks like a sleek induction cooktop, but hidden right in the middle is something that could completely change how kitchens are designed. An extractor fan, that's right. Instead of hanging a giant hood above your head, Samsung built the ventilation directly into the cooktop itself, and honestly, it looks incredibly clean. The whole unit sits perfectly flush with the countertop, creating that high-end, custom-built appearance that designers love. No bulky hood, no visual clutter, just one smooth surface. But here's the real question. Is this actually a smart innovation, or just a very expensive way to solve a problem nobody has? Samsung says the built-in extractor captures smoke, steam, and cooking odors right at the source before they spread throughout your kitchen. In theory, that means fresher air and a cleaner cooking space. And when it's time to clean, the grease filter can simply go into the dishwasher. That's definitely easier than dealing with some traditional ventilation systems. Then there's the dual flex zone. Instead of being limited to fixed burner sizes, the cooking surface adapts to different cookware. Large pots, long pans, multiple dishes at once. It gives you a lot more freedom when cooking. Samsung also added preset modes for simmering, melting, and warming, which sounds simple, but anyone who's accidentally burned chocolate knows why that matters. So let's be honest. The technology is impressive, the design is beautiful, and the idea of removing the need for a traditional range hood is genuinely interesting. But whether it's worth the premium price depends on one thing. Are you simply buying a cooktop? Or are you buying a completely different vision for your kitchen? Because that's what Samsung is really selling here. Not just an appliance, a cleaner, more open, more modern kitchen experience. So, what do you think? Luxury innovation or expensive gimmick? Let me know in the comments because this might be one of the most controversial kitchen upgrades we've seen in a long time.